In this new CapCut PC tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a transparent text. I came up recently with a new method. I discovered this method myself. I really hope you will like this method. It's very simple. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you will find this tutorial helpful. So now let me show you what you have to do. So if you grab a video, just a random video, make sure you head over here to Canvas and you go to color, and then here make sure you select black color. All right, and now make sure it's very important to resize this video until you don't see anything. Literally 0 here you should have, or 1%, so you'll not see anything. Only if there's this, that's fine. I mean, you can also go here and select so no brightness, I think it's darkness, or even multiply. Let's see. Now you will not see anything, so click on multiply here. Now make sure you add your text here. Okay, and now you select both of text and video, and you right click and create compound clip. Make sure you also decide the duration of the text, so make sure you're doing that beforehand before you create a compound clip. And after, let's say if your video is 90 seconds, make sure you stretch the text to 90 seconds. And now I'll just grab this video. I will position this here at top, and you see now the text and we have the video. So now it's very important to head over here to blend and you select multiply, and look the result. It's pretty cool. And now you can also animate this. Let's say you animate the select, click on scale. I'll add a keyframe for scale and position. And now around here, I'll just increase this, and then we'll just disappear. So if you want this even faster, you can press on the keyboard Alt plus K, and now look what we have here. And now you can expand this, and from here you can change the way this will affect the keyframe. So now we'll have this curve, so it's faster, and then just decreases the speed, or we'll start like this. And by the way, we can also here increase the speed even more. So now there's nothing. So we have this effect, Alt plus K. Okay, and now we have this effect. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials and leave a like. And drop your comments down below if you have any suggestions for the next CapCut tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. For now, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.